Can I delete photos from iPhone and keep in iCloud? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete photos from iPhone but still keep in iCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by this what you mean is that maybe you want to delete photos from iPhone and back up everything to iCloud and just empty out the storage on your iPhone. You can do this and I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is basically you open settings, you tap your Apple ID profile from the top, and then from here you go to iCloud, go to photos, and if you have turned on sync this iPhone over here, you can go ahead and then choose to sync everything, and then it will get backed up and then you can delete it manually from there. The other way you can do this is, let's say, what I would recommend you do is you want all of this to back up and keep in your iCloud, but then you want to delete them from your iPhone. So let me select this photo for example. What I need to do is tap the share icon here. Then I will just tap on the save to files option here. Now inside the files where I will save this is, I will save this in iCloud Drive, not on my iPhone storage but iCloud Drive, so that the photos that I'm going to save to my iCloud Drive will be kept in iCloud, right? So let's say I'll leave it to the downloads folder and then I'll tap on save option. Now this particular photo has been saved to my iCloud Drive in the files app, not from our iPhone. Now it is completely safe for me to delete this photo from my iPhone because I have already saved this to my iCloud Drive. Now if I show you using the files application on my iPhone over here, if I open it up, I can simply just go to this iCloud Drive here, not on iPhone but iCloud Drive, and the photo is still there inside of the download folder. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then delete photos from your iPhone but keep on iCloud. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.